On 18th April 2023, the Minister in charge of the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, Rakkam A Sangma, had informed newspersons that the state government is examining the possibilities of adopting part of the curriculum of the Central Board of School Education or Cbse into schools in the state in order to lift the standard of education and enable the schools to be at par with those in other parts of the country.
Look, in order to bring the confidence in the standard better of our students of the state, we are examining now. So the adaptation and adoption of the CBSE curriculum, not it may not be whole, but certain section and the step by step. So we're exploring how to bring the best in the education environment for the students, so that at the end of the day, tomorrow when the standard, the confidence of our students will be at par with the rest of the country.